Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are discuss about the since and for, where we use the since and where we use the for. Now we take a small unit of time. Second, if we combine the second, they make minutes. If we combine the minutes, they make hour. If we combine the hour, they make day. If we combine the days, they make weeks. If we combine the weeks, they make month. If we combine the month, they make years. If we combine the years, they make century. There we use the for. For example, I have been playing for 5 seconds. I have been playing for 5 minutes. I have been playing for 5 hours. I have been playing for 5 days. I have been playing for 5 months. And then I tell you about the since. Without the unit of the time, we use the since. For example, I have been playing since morning. I have been playing since afternoon. I have been playing 2 p.m. I have been playing since 1942. I have been playing since evening. Now I hope you understand it, where we use the since and where we use the for. We now use the duration of the time, limit of the time. Only we use the for, seconds, minutes, or days, weeks, years, and century. There are many methods of the use of the since and for. This method is very easy to understand. Subscribe my channel for more informative video. Share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. And also inform me about the next video, what you want to learn. Thank you. And press the bell icon to see the video as soon as it posts. Assalamu alaikum.